Green School is resuming its efforts for this year, and we had a fortune to come across American Ibero High School last year, and we were always very impressed by the dedication and hardworking teachers and staff and the principal here. And we noticed that the school, had potential opportunity for improvement. One of the attractions about this school is that this school is paying its own electrical bills, and so because it is a private school, and we would like to see how we can help them reduce the electrical bills, because when they do, they can immediately put that extra money into education and into after-school programs. So there's a company here right now on the island, a Canadian company, Wheelworks, and they're doing energy audits for a number of hotels here. They do energy audits, and then they have energy saving solutions and renewable energy solutions. And with the island moving towards the carbon neutral future, hopefully by the year 2020, we thought this would be a perfect opportunity to see and explore any possibilities how we can help the school improve. The Green School project definitely continuing this year and for many years to come. We are redefining it a little bit this year. Last year it was designed as a competition between secondary schools. This year we're also branching out to the primary schools through a project named Growms, where kids are encouraged to explore sustainable agriculture. For secondary schools, our effort is going to be right now to find ways to encourage secondary schools to reduce the electricity energy bills. And so we're starting with the Ibero-American High School.
We have been engaged and involved in the energy saving business. There's a school, the Green Energy School, and we are very much interested in what they are doing. And more than that, they are interested in what we are doing. And they are interested so that they can find ways and means of helping the school save money, and money that we can better use in other areas of the school. In the past, we did some investigations, but we've had a problem because our roof is not best suited for solar panels. And at the moment, our garage, our parking lot does not have enough space to accommodate those panels either. So at the moment, we are investigating if there are other possibilities. And that is where the Green School comes in.